I am Geetanjali Padmanabhan, Director of AIIMS Bhubaneswar, and I want to inform all of you that we will be closing our walk-in OPD services from tomorrow, that is 10th July. We have taken this decision because many of the patients who are inside our hospital as well as some of our staff have tested positive. Therefore, not only the staff but also their close contacts who will be under quarantine, and we have some staff who are coming in from areas which have been called the containment zones, and therefore we are having a shortage of staff. With this in mind, we have closed our walk-in OPD services, but we would like to inform all of you that patients will be able to contact our doctors through telemedicine services, as well as a new app which we will be launching from tomorrow. The app is known as AIIMS Bhubaneswar Swasthya app. However, we will continue to see patients through our casualty and emergency services, as well as the dialysis services will continue, the daycare center services and our radiotherapy services will continue. We also would like to remind all of you that from 19th March 2020, when we admitted the first COVID-19 positive patient into AIIMS Bhubaneswar, we have continued to provide care for both COVID positive patients as well as non-COVID patients. Till date, we have seen during this period from 19th March till date, we have seen a total of 85,235 patients in our OPD, and emergency consultations are 7,727 patients. Also, in this period, we have done 3,027 surgeries, which are both emergency as well as essential surgeries have been done. So therefore, we have been continuing and we will continue to serve the people of Odisha through our services. However, the walk-in OPD services will be discontinued from tomorrow until further notice. Thank you.